Hello, I'm Steve Gowan, Marshall Institute's Manager of Manufacturing Services. I'm here to discuss a service that we provide our clients called the Maintenance Effectiveness Assessment and Improvement Strategy Session. The goal of this service is twofold. We want to provide our clients with a clear understanding of their current state as it relates to maintenance effectiveness and reliability practices. We want to provide practical advice from our assessment to help our clients create an initial strategy for improvement. We believe wholeheartedly at Marshall Institute that understanding your current state is critical to creating an effective and efficient improvement strategy. Because this step is often skipped or underestimated, many improvement initiatives fail or deliver subpar results. Let me give you two real-world examples. The first, 3 months into developing improved planning and scheduling processes, you realize that your current CMMS system will not support your initiative and you have to start all over. Secondly, after putting great effort into changing culture and engaging operations to proactively identify and report defects, you realize that your maintenance department can't even effectively and efficiently respond to the influx of requests. Operations get frustrated because of the lack of response and stop being proactive because we still hadn't fixed something that we identified 6 months ago. With a better understanding of the current state, these improvement initiatives may have been approached differently. Let me talk about our standard approach to this service. We'll provide 2 Marshall Institute assessors on site for 4 days. 3 of those days we spend assessing. We conduct a current state process mapping exercise to understand current maintenance workflow management. We audit the following 10 areas of focus: leadership, organizational support structure, workplace organization, preventive and predictive maintenance practices, MRO inventory management, information management, that's your CMMS and work order control, preventive and predictive maintenance strategies along with skills training and reliability policies and practices. We conduct one-on-one and group interviews with various stakeholders in the organization: operators, maintenance techs, supervisors, managers, and upper management. Then we use maintenance data provided by the client to perform benchmark analysis. On the 4th day, we report out. We document the strengths and opportunities for improvement in each of the audited focus areas. We provide feedback from the interviews conducted. And we provide benchmark data comparing you to world-class and best practice KPIs and metrics, along with comparing your current policies, procedures, and practices to what we consider best practice. We then facilitate an improvement strategy session to help our clients identify practical next steps and begin the development of a strategic plan to meet their improvement objectives. If you have any questions at all about this service I've described, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Marshall Institute. Thank you.